We have spoken already about the importance of trading plan, how using this properly could make sure we survive the crazy moves of stock market. Today, we take a step before preparation of trading plan. Surprise to many of you, it's not the risk management or the capital management as the first step for traders who have already spent so much time in markets. Of course, they are very important, but the most important is setting goals. I'm not talking about making X% returns. Goals are much more important. Hi guys, welcome back to Options Decoded. This video was supposed to be analysis of yesterday's trade and today's trade plan. Of course, we can talk about it at any given point of time. But I thought, let's learn something more important. Telegram trades you can check out for yourself. All the trades were in profit yesterday and today's plan you can read on the Telegram channel once I post it. Link is on the screen and in the description. We have been booking regular profits in live trades on real-time basis. I have been sharing trades for more than a year for free now. But as you know, I want you guys to grow. So let's take bigger steps this week. Trades and profit you can follow through channel. So back to the topic. Setting goals. Every self-sufficient person prepares goals for themselves. Goals are backbone of every success in life. And I will say the same is applicable for trading as well. For traders, the simplest goal could be I want to make X% returns in X days or months or year. There is nothing wrong with it technically. But is growth only about the numbers? Come on, seriously? I don't agree to this thought. If I have to grow personally, I would like to grow physically, financially, intellectually, professionally, emotionally, etc. Right? So why don't traders implement this to trading as well? Don't just run for numbers. Earning profits in trading is a process. It requires inputs and discipline, and then you receive the end results as profit. If you stay in the game long enough and improve yourself, you will make profits for sure. So the thing which can help you in your long-term growth as a trader at least deserves 8 to 10 minutes of your time today, right? So, let's think about your future goals. Easiest way to begin is, what are my weaknesses? Or what are the repeated blunders I make? Where I lack in knowledge? Is it the discipline or practice that I'm missing? Or is it the risk and capital management that is troubling me, etc.? But trust me, for many of you, what might be missing is the goal. We all need to ask such questions to ourselves throughout our trading journey as well as life. Write these down and place it somewhere where you can see them regularly. Let these things reach your subconscious mind. As a trader, you can go further deep. You may even write things like, I book profits too early or too late that I totally missed to book them. I'm not able to trade the trading breakouts. Or maybe I lack the understanding of charts or the fundamentals. I lack the patience to let the pattern fully form and then enter a trade. Or I'm not setting stop losses or following my trade plan. Or maybe I lack the understanding of option strategies, etc., etc., etc. Don't worry. If you're facing any of these issues or something else, let me know. I will try to help you there. But you need to know it. We all should know that achieving goals like these will help us grow and improve both our confidence and trading psychology. Regular growth will help us exponentially. In my opinion, having goal is the utmost important factor if you want to become a better intraday trader. Make your goals realistic. Give a timeline to it if possible. Never think to be rich overnight. For that you need to be super lucky to own a lottery ticket where your winning chances are 1 in a billion. It may take long time to become self-sufficient, especially if you are just starting right now. So be patient. Every day there won't be only big profits. We cannot hit sixes on every ball. We need to learn how to take singles and be consistent. As an intraday trader, we all have to be student for life. Market dynamics are changing every day. To improve ourselves, we need to take further steps. You need to evaluate your performance. Ideally, you will be setting your goals forever. Never stop before you achieve them. As I mentioned, goals are the backbone of every well-crafted plan. Challenge yourself to grow. Make sure your goals are reasonable. Achieve it on the allocated time. If time needed to be extended, then don't punish yourself for it. But make sure that you are proud when you achieve it. As you start to gain experience and knowledge, adjust your goals. Keep working towards getting better. That's it for now. For the trading part and update, join me on Telegram channel every day close to 9 am. You can check the history for yourself. I did the sampling of 100 trading days and found that we were profitable for more than 87% days. In last 3 weeks, we missed to book profits on just one day, where we shared 12 trades, out of which 8 were in profits. But we booked slightly higher loss in 2 of these 4 trades. But still, we are either earning or learning every day. Spend time today itself on yourself. Don't wait for tomorrow. Prepare the goals and place it in front of yourself. With this, let me end this video. In the next video, we will jump into another important step for preparing a trading plan. I hope you guys like this start. If yes, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the channels with your family members and friends. Join me on Telegram for live trades and updates, and let's create some difference together. Till next time, as always, happy learning.